Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Tech Academy. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to upload a video on Rumble. So if you want to upload a video on Rumble and do not know how to get started, then this video is for you. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to upload a video on Rumble. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to upload a video on Rumble, first of all go ahead and tap on Rumble application. Since Rumble application is not available on my region, so I'm gonna go to Google and then search for Rumble and then go to its website and upload a video. But if you have Rumble application in your mobile phone, then go ahead and upload a video by tapping on the app itself, but here I'm doing it with the website. So do not worry guys, the procedure is all same. So you can also follow this video also if you have an app. So go ahead and click on the plus sign which is just beside the search button. Go ahead and click on there. Now click on upload video. Now you will be appeared with this screen on your mobile phone. It says upload, share and license your video. So that's interesting. Go ahead and tap on the page of select video to upload, and then now it's being loaded and it's 100% loaded. That's amazing. Now you have to tap on several video informations in order to upload a video on Rumble. So first of all tap on video title and then tap on the title of a video. Now go ahead and tap on the video description box and go ahead and describe your video in order to upload it in Rumble. After you're done describing your video, go ahead to video thumbnails and then select your video thumbnail. After you're done selecting your video thumbnail, you can also get options here, so you can randomly click on those options or you can choose by your own. So after that you can also tap on tags and then provide tags for your video. So it is optional, so you might or might not do that. It's okay, I'm not gonna do that for this video. And then here we come to visibility. You can even public your video, that means anyone can watch this video. You can even post it in unlisted, which means only people with link can watch this video, or you can even private your video, that means only you can watch that video. So you can even schedule it, that means you can select a date to make your own video public. For now I'm gonna go with private my video, and then that's it guys. We have done all the procedures of uploading a video to Rumble. So here we can tap on upload in order to upload a video. So go ahead and tap on this green box of upload. So now you will be appeared with this screen on your mobile phone which says your licensing options. So go ahead and choose from the options that has been available. There are 4 options available. After you are done selecting from this, then it asks you about additional video information. So go ahead and tap who appears in this video. Now go ahead in the box of where and when was the video recorded and provide them with your time and the place. After that you can provide them with your YouTube, Instagram or TikTok ID. After you are done, come below and see terms and conditions. You have to agree all of these 2 boxes and then you can simply click on submit. So that's it guys, it says video upload complete. So that's how you can simply upload your video on Rumble. So I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.